Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to gain or earn the $200 bonus on Temu. So make sure that you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to go to the Temu website and then make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, we will need to redeem the sign up coupons or the $200 coupons. To do so, you will need just to click on your profile, and then it will take you to your profile panel. So basically here you can find this navigation bar where you can see all uh, things concerning or all the settings or navigations concerning your account. And basically you can have your orders here, your reviews, your profile, etc. And here you will find your credit balance where you can purchase with. Either you are gaining it with like programs or with some coupons. So basically, to redeem your or to earn free money, we need just to have coupons and offers. And here you can enter the coupon code of the sign up bonus and click here on apply. So let's first uh, put our code, and here you can use this promotion code or this coupon, and then you will need just to apply to redeem your bonus. But make sure that you are using the Temu app and not the website. And there are many codes that you can find on the internet of these sign up bonus, etc. So there is this one, and you can find some other bonuses like or some other coupons like this one, and they are valid, but they need just the Temu app. So as you can see, you can either click on get on Google Play or App Store, so you can download the app, depends on the platform or the phone that you are using, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.